Talking a bit more about the second page of the project document, the org chart, my experience is that there's three kinds of leaders needed on each major element of what's being done in the project. One type of leader is the person that knows how to build what needs to be built. This is often going to be a technical person of some sort. They're going to understand their mind kind of thinks in terms of crawling into the computer. I described a friend one day as someone who can crawl into the computer monitor, walk around for a little while, and can come out and tell me everything that goes on inside. Their minds think in terms of technology and how the technology connects to each other, and that's where they spend most of their time. Usually, though, they're not someone that is driven by timelines. That's the second person in the leadership, is often a delivery manager. Delivery manager has a better sense of the issues involved, the list that I was talking about on the fifth page of the project document, the problems, the timeline involved, and will have some sense of the resources that are needed. The third person in project management often is more of an organizational manager. This person has some aspects of both of the other roles, but often projects involve bringing people from outside the organization to work in it. So the role number one and role number two might be contractors or consultants or external parties of some sort. They don't have the formal organizational authority to say money should be spent or resources should be applied to different parts of the problem. Those sorts of things usually have some aspect of internal ownership that a formal employee needs to own. And so there needs to be an organizational manager, someone who is authorized by the purchaser to be able to do the work and to say what should be done. The elements of the organizational manager could devolve to a delivery manager. Often it requires three different parties involved. They all three need to work very closely together to